Bogota, September 4, 2018. Lord, Supplies and Equipment, S.A. To the entry of the new fleet of buses biarticulados, we must expand our inventory of spare parts and purchase the new items in order to satisfy the maintenance department. Therefore, we will run some procedures that we will drive. We will continue to the central axis of the purchase of the company for all areas, but from new on forward operations record supplies for extends on 3 months. Communicates that staff to Beijing, the only company that provides use with material and enter into competition with each other to improve the management on price and quality. Many of the materials we now are of own exclusivity, which able to do, but must improve price and or discount. Some separate staff akins for our signs, they exist in enough quantity in the inventory and duty performs the same rotation. Enter the advisory company for the management of inventories will be the one who directs incorrectly to request its necessary recommendations need. We are going to need agility in the process. We will expand the warehouse if necessary. We have some shelves with damaged merchandise. Some elements of personal protection are contaminated. There are 2 main spare parts without revealing. More space will be needed in the warehouse. The handle tubes come out too long. We are going to carry on the inventory. The super has too many orders. Send request for purchase order to be processed and sent to the supplier in the shortest possible time. Some elements are little in stock. Please guide from this to requests to one is correspond. Purchase order number 5. 20 from brake pad sets. And in this amount, since we have many inventory. 15 gallons of hydraulic oil. Ammonia will be replaced with another brand. 10 degeneration tire sets. They are urgently required to have in stock. 100 meters of duplex curve número 10. Sunlab move 50 late glass games extends inventory each match. 30 halogen lamps protectors. Gently requests should be installed immediately. 80 gin straws various sites. Enrollment for new personnel that enters.